Welcome. In this session, we will explore the concept of class midpoint in statistics. We will understand what it is, why it is necessary, and exactly how to calculate it using a simple formula. First, let us recall group data. In statistics, when we have a lot of data, we group it into ranges called class intervals. For example, instead of saying age 10, age 11, age 12, we might just say ages 10 to 20. This table shows intervals like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and so on, along with their frequencies. But here is the problem. If we want to do any calculations, like finding the average age, we cannot use a range like 10 to 20. Mathematics requires a single specific number. We cannot multiply a range. We need one value that can stand in for the entire group. The solution is the class midpoint, sometimes called the class mark. This is the central value of the class interval. It lies exactly in the middle, halfway between the starting point and the ending point of the class. Calculating the midpoint is straightforward. It is simply the average of the limits. The formula is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Here, L is the lower limit, or the start of the class, and U is the upper limit, or the end of the class. Let's look at a simple example. Consider the class interval 10 to 20. The lower limit is 10. The upper limit is 20. To find the midpoint, we add 10 plus 20, which gives us 30. Then, we divide 30 by 2. The result is 15, so 15 is the midpoint. Let's try a larger interval. Suppose we have a range from 50 to 100. We apply the same logic. 50 plus 100 equals 150. Divide that by 2, and we get 75. 75 is the exact center of the interval from 50 to 100. Here is a visual representation on a number line. If our interval is from 20 to 40, the range covers that distance. The value 30 sits perfectly in the center. It is 10 units away from 20 and 10 units away from 40. This balance is why it works as a representative value. Why is this important? We use the midpoint for almost all further calculations in group statistics. It is used to calculate the mean, standard deviation, and to draw graphs like frequency polygons. We essentially pretend that every data point in that group is located right at the midpoint. To summarize, the class midpoint is the center of an interval. It represents the group for math purposes. The formula is the lower limit plus the upper limit divided by 2, and finally, it is essential for advanced statistical calculations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.